My name is Liz.
My name's Lorraine.
Shall we sing our hello song,
I think
Lorraine?
we should, yes.
Are you ready?
All right, ready?
Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun, we're going to have some fun. It's music, rhythm and rhyme.
Hey! Have you got any other songs? Have you got a
Yes.
song we'd like to
Yeah,
do?
you know, I like these crocodiles. I'm mad on crocodiles, aren't I?
Yeah. Oh, she loves the
I know, I
crocodile.
don't know why. I like the snap bit, I think.
So do I.
So do you fancy doing row your boat?
Yeah, go on.
Row, row?
Let's do it.
Yeah, okay.
Get in the boat then,
Let's get
ready?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, into the water we go. Splash! Row, row, row your boat gently down the sea. Merrily, 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 back in time for tea. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. You ready? If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. I enjoyed that. I love
You
that
and your
song.
crocodiles, Lorraine. Oh my
What
goodness.
should we do
Oh.
now? What do you think, Liz? What do you fancy doing? Oh, actually,
What's
that
that?
rings a bell. That's another one of my
Horses.
favourites. Yeah.
You got it on your horse?
Yeah, let's get
You
ready.
ready? Walk along, walk along, walk along, Josie. Walk along, walk along, walk along, Joe. Walk along, walk along, walk along, Josie. Walk along, walk along, walk along, Joe.
A little bit quicker.
A little bit faster, yeah. Trot along, Josie. Trot along, Joe. Trot along, Josie. Trot along, Joe. Bit quicker. Okay.
Canter on,
Josie. Canter on, Joe. Canter on, Josie. Canter on, Joe. Gallop on, Josie. Gallop on, Joe. Gallop on, Josie. Gallop on, Joe. Whoa! Woo!
Gosh,
I'm exhausted. That was fun. I love riding those horses.
that's a good workout. That good exercise.
But you've got another crocodile
I
somewhere.
think I
haven't you?
have.
Yeah,
Do we do-
crocodile.
we do Mr. Croc, do we? Will you let me?
Of course.
Ready?
Okay.
Mr.
Crocodile,
do we?
snap.
Mr. Crocodile, do we?
Snap.
Mr. Crocodile, do we? Mr. Crocodile, do we? Mr. Crocodile, do we?
Snap.
Oh, here it comes. Mr. Monkey, do we? Woo! Mr. Monkey, do we? Woo! Mr. Monkey, do we? Mr. Monkey, do we? Mr. Monkey, do we? Woo! Oh, that's the end. Oh, Mr. Elephant, do we? Mr. Elephant, do we? Mr. Elephant, do we? Mr. Elephant, do we? Mr. Elephant, do we?
Oh, I like that
Oh,
one.
I like that. I like
Especially the elephant. I love Mr. Elephant. Oh gosh. Oh, my head, my shoulders. Oh, I need to like.
loosen up, I think, don't
Do you have a song about that?
Oh, I think we might.
I bet you do, don't you?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Definitely. Love it.
What should
Ready?
What are we doing first? The English and
Let's
size neck? Yeah.
Size neck first,
Okay,
yeah?
then.
Ready?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
And now come round.
Right, okay.
Ready?
Pen ysgwydau coesau traed, coesau traed. Pen ysgwydau coesau traed a lygau. Glistiau trwy'r acheg. Pen ysgwydau coesau traed.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
Got my shoulders shaking now. Looser. Much looser. Did you see that rain this morning, Lorraine?
Oh, I did, yeah.
Did you see what was with the rain?
Yeah, all those lovely colours.
What was it?
It's a rainbow.
Rainbow. I bet you've got a song about a rainbow.
Oh, yeah, I've got a song about everything, haven't we? Yeah.
You
We're doing the Welsh or the English?
Let's do the English.
English
You
first.
ready? And we're going to do a little bit of Makaton too. Because for our friends that use the Makaton. Are you ready?
Go on then.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
That was excellent. There's that one.
I love that one.
Should we do it again in Cymraeg?
Yes, shall we? Yeah.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Coch a melyn a pink and glass, pwffor and orange and gwydd. Dyma fi yr enfys, lli ar enfys, lli ar enfys hon. Oh, I like that one.
Yes,
I
yes, one of my
really do.
favourites.
Oh,
What do you think's next? Something jolly, something
Jolly.
something happy, smiley. Maybe.
Yeah, let's do Mr. Happy.
Mr. Happy.
Mr.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. You ready?
Ready?
Mr. Happy, so do we, ha ha ha! Mr. Happy, so do we, ha ha ha! Mr. Happy, so do we, Mr. Happy, so do we, Mr. Happy, so do we, ha ha ha!
Oh no! Oh dear! Oh, I'm crying today. I'm very sad.
Mr. Tree Dewey, boo-hoo-hoo! Mr. Tree Dewey, boo-hoo-hoo! Mr. Tree Dewey, Mr. Tree Dewey, Mr. Tree Dewey, boo-hoo-hoo! Mr. Towel Dewey, shh, shh, shh. Mr. Towel Dewey, shh, shh, shh. Mr. Towel Dewey, Mr. Towel Dewey, Mr. Towel Dewey, shh, shh, shh. Mr. Sunflower Dewey, hooray! Mr. Sunflower Dewey, hooray! Mr. Sunflower Dewey, Mr. Sunflower Dewey, Mr. Sunflower Dewey, hooray!
Oh, I'm feeling really better now.
Oh, I am.
That
Yeah, me
That
too.
really cheered me up, Lorraine. Really did.
Me too. What's next, do you think?
Well, I saw a little bunny rabbit
Did you?
in my garden.
In your garden?
In
You're
my
lucky.
garden.
Oh.
The only thing was it didn't have any lettuce.
Oh no, did it look like Peter Rabbit?
It did look like Peter
Wow,
Rabbit.
you're
It did. He
lucky.
had the little ears,
Oh.
and he has a little puffball on his
Oh,
bottom.
gosh, you're so lucky,
I
Liz.
know, but he ran away. He hopped away. He did.
Little tinker.
We have a song about
We
Peter.
do, don't we? Yeah.
We're going to use our Makaton too, aren't
yeah,
we?
we are.
See our bunny ears?
Bunnies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose, and he swished it and he swashed it, and the fly flew away. Powder puff and curly whiskers, powder puff and curly whiskers, powder puff and curly whiskers, and he swished it and he swashed it, and the fly flew away.
Oh, I like that. In fact,
We've got a story about Peter Rabbit.
Yeah, we have, haven't we?
The thing is, we can't find it,
No,
can we,
we've been
Lorraine?
looking all day.
So we need you to help us.
Yeah, see if you can spot him.
What's our story called, Lorraine?
Oh, where is Peter Rabbit?
Where is he? Let's see if we can find him.
Let's see.
Don't make a sound. Be quiet. Shh. Is that Peter by the blackberry bush? Can you find him, Lorraine?
If he's
Let's have
there,
a
do you
look.
think he's there? Oh, no, he's not there, Liz.
Who's that, Lorraine?
It's Flopsy.
Oh dear.
Oh, no, where can he be?
I
We'll have to try
don't know.
harder, won't we, Liz?
Have another look. Splish, splash, drift and float. Is Peter fishing on a lily leaf boat?
Oh, shall we have a look again?
Have a peek, Lorraine. See if he's there.
Oh, Liz, he's not there.
Well, who is it?
Oh, it's that Jeremy Fisher.
Oh no, that's not our
Oh,
Peter.
it's not Peter.
Oh dear,
Oh,
let's
Liz, I think
see.
you've lost him, you know.
Oh, do you think so?
Shall we keep trying?
Let's try. Naughty rabbit, he's hard to catch. Is that Peter in the lettuce patch?
Oh, he's got to be there,
He
Liz, because
must
he
be.
loves lettuce, doesn't he?
It's his favourite.
Oh, I'm fairly sure he's going to be there. Shall we have a look? Oh, no, he's not there, Liz.
Well, who is it?
It's Benjamin Bunny.
Benjamin Bunny.
Why Benjamin Bunny? And he's tucking in to Peter's lettuce.
We won't have any left.
Now he's going to be hungry.
Well, we need to find him, don't we?
Find him fast.
Where is that rabbit? Have you guessed? Is Peter sleeping in this nest?
Ooh,
Let's
let's
see.
have a look. What do we think? No, he's not there, is he? Look who it is. I bet you all know who that is. It's Jemima Puddle Duck, isn't it?
Oh dear.
Oh,
Do you think we'll ever find Peter
No,
Rabbit?
we've got to try harder, Liz.
Okay, we'll try. Pitter patter, who can you see? Is Peter hiding behind the tree?
What do you think, everybody? Shall we have a look?
Go on, Lorraine.
Yes, there he is! Yay!
Yay!
And
Oh,
he's in time for tea as
He's
well.
in time for tea. And he can have his lettuce.
Have a bit of lettuce.
Oh, I'm glad we found
I
him,
am as
Lorraine.
well. He's been leading us a right
I'm
dance.
glad. I'm glad. Oh, you know, my fingers could do with a bit of
Yeah,
exercise.
what do you reckon?
Your hands need a... What can we do to get these
Yeah.
sillies out of my hands and
what
your
about-
hands?
What about that nice song, that clap clap, Lean Down Tree?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
go
do
for
that.
that one, shall
You
we?
ready?
Okay.
Okay. Clap, clap, in thy tree. Clap, clap, in thy tree. Clap, clap, in thy tree. Troia, Troia, Julia. Pat, pat, in thy tree. Pat, pat, in thy tree. Pat, pat, in thy tree. Troia, Troia, Dula. Sus, sus, in thy tree. Sus, sus, in thy tree. Sus, sus, in thy tree. Troia, Troia, Dula. Oh, I like that one.
like that.
I like that one. And
Fun
you
ride
as
as
well.
well, yes.
Oh, it's fun.
It was fun.
You know what? I could feel do it like doing a bit of a swinging song.
That
Do we know
Teddy
one?
song. That Teddy on his
Perfect.
swing.
Yeah, get on your swings, everybody.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
Teddy plays on the swing. Teddy plays on the slide. Teddy plays on the swing. And Teddy plays on the slide. And he goes tick tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Tick tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. And he goes tick tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Tick tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes.
Yay! Good old Teddy.
We have another song that goes round and round.
Don't we?
don't we? And I'm sure you guys know this
I
one.
think they will do. Yeah, let's all join in, shall
Yeah.
we?
Shall we wind the bobbin up?
I think so.
Okay, let's go. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window and point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and put your hands upon your knee. Should we do it a bit
Yes,
faster?
faster.
Let's go faster.
Let's clear my throat.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, ready?
Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window and point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and put your hands upon your knee. Yay! Oh, I like that one. Ooh. Oh, I really like that one.
You haven't got something stuck in your teeth again, have you, Liz?
Do you know what? I think I forgot to brush them. And you know it's important to brush
It is,
your
yeah,
teeth.
you've got to brush them twice a day at least.
I know, and you know the tooth fairy will know if you haven't brushed them.
Yeah, she will.
So, have you brushed your teeth today?
Actually, I think I forgot as well.
Maybe we should brush them together.
I think we should.
Maybe our friends should brush their teeth because it's important.
They should
right?
do, really, shouldn't they?
Yeah. I know a song about this, don't you?
Yes.
When you wake up in the morning and it's 1:45, you think you'll have a little fun. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. And when you wake up in the morning and it's 1:45, you think you'll find something to do. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. And when you wake up in the morning and it's 2:45, your mind starts humming twiddly-dee. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. And when you wake up in the morning and it's 3:45, you think you hear a knock on the door. You're scared to say it. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. And when you wake up in the morning and it's 4:45, and you just can't wait to come alive, you brush your teeth.
Oh, no, you don't.
No, you don't. You brush your hair. What do you do then, Lorraine? You wash your face.
Oh, what else is it?
Oh, you stroke your beard. And then you brush your teeth. Yeah, much cleaner now. Keep brushing your teeth, kids, and play our song when you do. Oh, you know, I'm feeling.
Excuse me.
Oh,
What thinking?
Lorraine, I'm feeling a little bit sad now. You know
I
why,
know.
don't you?
Yeah, I know. You didn't want it to come to an end.
No,
did
I
you, Liz?
didn't. We were having so much fun with our friends.
Yeah.
And we miss you guys.
We do.
And can't wait to see you again. Coming to your rhyme time. But we do have an important thing to do.
We do.
We've got to go and find all our fab books for our
Silly Squad Reading Challenge.
for the summer reading challenge. So just because you can't come in and see us, you can come and get your books, right?
You can, and the little goodie bags as well. we've got.
Absolutely. So shall we sing our goodbye
I think
song?
we'll have to, won't we, Liz?
Okay. You ready? Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. We're very glad you've come. We've had a lot of fun with music, rhythm and rhyme. Hoovar,
Full power.
hoovar.